Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Fundbox product for small business working capital. If you're a small business owner, you know that managing cash flow is a constant challenge. There are times when you need quick capital to cover a payroll gap, purchase inventory for a big order, or just make it through a slow season while waiting for invoices to be paid. That's where a solution like Fundbox comes in. Based on my own experience in looking for fast, flexible working capital, I found that Fundbox's line of credit is unequivocally their best product for small businesses. Why? Because working capital, by its nature, is usually about short-term, cyclical needs, and the line of credit is perfectly designed for that. Think of it like this. I needed to buy materials for a large contract, but the client payment was 45 days out. A traditional term loan would have given me one lump sum, and I'd start paying interest on the full amount immediately. That wasn't efficient for my temporary gap. The Fundbox line of credit offers me a flexible credit limit, up to $150,000 in my case, and I only draw what I actually need. When I drew $10,000 for those materials, I only paid fees on that $10,000, not the full $150,000 limit. That's a huge difference in cost. What made my experience with Fundbox smooth and effective were three key things. Speed and simplicity. The initial application was fast, minutes, not days. By securely connecting my business bank account and accounting software, Fundbox could quickly assess my business health. I got an approval decision quickly, and when I made a draw, the funds were in my account as soon as the next business day. When you're in a cash crunch, that speed is critical. Flexibility. It's a revolving line of credit. As I repay a draw, the available funds replenish. So, once I paid back the $10,000 from the first contract, I could immediately draw funds again for the next opportunity, without having to reapply. No prepayment penalties. This is the most crucial part for managing working capital. If that client paid me early, I could pay off my Fundbox draw at a 12 or 24-week term, and they waive the remaining fees. This saves a substantial amount of money, and gives you full control. In short, for the day-to-day, month-to-month, fluid needs of a small business trying to manage its working capital, the revolving line of credit from Fundbox is a tool I rely on. It's fast, it's flexible, and it respects the fact that your cash flow needs to change constantly. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.